Hello, hello to all my subscribers, local and overseas. Hope you are always in the pink of health, and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening kung saan man kayong panig ng mundo naroroon. Hello again. I have here some pictures down below. Some are drawings and some are pictures of lechon belly. Itong lechon belly na to ay minsan separate ang pagluluto doon sa lechon. Favorite ito ng mga Pinoy, especially in Cuba, Puerto Rico, sa mga Spanish speaking regions. Dito nagsimula yung lechon. So ay sigurado some of you already taste this lechon. If you will go to the Philippines, marami doon, especially in Cebu and also in Manila. So if you are living in the different parts of the world, sigurado merong silang mga ganyan sa mga Filipino store usually. At saka sa mga speaking Spanish sa restaurant. So I did some watercolor drawings of my the lechon belly, and at the same time, one time kumain kami sa Filipino store, so I took a shot of this. So meron itong sauce, ang sauce nito is made up of liver, pero masarap ang pagkakagawa. I hope you enjoy watching it, and if you will visit some of the Filipino restaurant anywhere in the world, I suggest you try it, especially the crispy suckling skin. Okay, and for now, enjoy watching it, and maybe later on, try to find a Filipino store and try to taste it. Bye for now, and thank you for your support. I am so grateful, and bless you, and always keep safe. Dikit lang tayo sa Panginoon. God bless everyone. Bye for now.